लेह लद्दाख में पहली बार माउंटेन बाइसिकल एलिमिनेटर वर्ल्ड कप का इनेकाद किया गया। जर्मनी ने UCI MTB एलिमिनेटर वर्ल्ड कप अपने नाम कर दिया। लद्दाख पुलिस ने यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ लद्दाख के इंतजामिया ये इवेंट मुनाकिद किया। इंटरनेशनल साइकिलिंग एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया के इश्तिराक से यह मुकाबला मुनाकिद किया गया। दुनिया के मुख्तलिफ ममालिक से शुरका ने इस मुकाबले में हिस्सा लिया। मर्दों की कैटेगरी में जर्मनी के फेकेल्स किलोसेमन ने पहली, जबकि खवातीन के कैटेगरी में जर्मनी की मारियोन फर्मिकर ने पहली पोजीशन हासिल की। XCE हीट्स और फाइनल को LG लद्दाख RK माथुर ने झंडी दिखाकर रवाना किया। इस तकरीब के मौके पर कई मशहूर शख्सियात मौजूद रहे। खासी तादाद में लोग भी जमा हो गए थे।
Yeah, I really love the city. It's amazing. I feel a bit like home. The temperature is like at home, but the high altitude was really hard for us. But it was really fun to race here in Leh.
So, how did you prepare for this high altitude MTB?
Not that much. I never were that high before. We had some days here. So we are here since Thursday, and we just did super easy rides, no fast rides. We tried to get not ill of the high altitude, and yeah, we managed quite well.
So you are the women athlete and you're the champion. So how you feel performing in India for the first time?
It was really amazing to ride in front of this crowd. It was really amazing to win in front of Indians and in Leh here. I really like it, and it was really, I have no words for this. It was just amazing.
How was the preparation for the championship?
Yeah, we have a hard time schedule. We were from the last World Cup in Indonesia. We just arrived from Indonesia to here, and yeah, so there was not that much preparation. Just try to cool down and try to recover a bit between the World Cups. But yeah, it was really good, and I really like to be here in India.
First to the youngsters.
I really love that to see all the kids and the women riding here in Leh, and I hope you keep on going, keep on trying, and you will be heroes in the future. It's true.
A message to Leh, people of Leh.
It's beautiful Leh. I really love it here. I will come back, of course, and yeah, just be there. Next year we will be back.